video about tag system. So let's start it. Subscribe for more. Add script inside server script. Get from description and Discord. Add a local script inside starter player script. Get from description or Discord. Change admin user in both script. Let's see if it works or not. See, it works. Random or customize available. Smooth Ani plus sound plus movable. So it's the result. That's all. Goodbye. Must join Discord for more.